I'm talking about the story today. Hope you enjoy it and hope you like it.
Hello everyone. Today we're gonna talk about the story. The story is This Book Just Ate My Dog by Richard Byrne. Can you see there's a girl on the cover? Her name is Bella. Let's see what happened to her. Bella was taking her dog for a stroll. Across the page read. Do you see there's a big dog? Yes, it is white and black. And Bella is happy to walk her dog. But something very odd happened. Do you see the dog's head? No, I only can see two little legs and a wagging tail. Where is the dog's head? Bella is confused. What happened? Oh, my goodness! What happened to the dog? Bella's dog disappeared. So Bella pulled and pulled and pulled, but nothing happened. Here comes the boy. The boy says, Hello, Bella. What's up? Bella said, This book just ate my dog. Ben said, Huh? Are you sure about that? Bella said, Yes. I cannot find my dog anymore. Kid, can you find the dog now? No. So Ben decided to investigate. And then Ben disappeared too. My goodness, where is Ben and the dog? Oh, so sad. Suddenly, Bella heard the sound. Aye, 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 aye. What is that? There comes a dog rescue. Help zoom into the sight. Bella is so happy that somebody comes to help, but vanished again. And then things were getting ridiculous. Fire engine and police cars are here, but then vanished too. Bella is so confused and angry. I'll just have to figure out by myself what happened to them. What happened to my dog? What happened to Ben and the cars? But, burp, Bella is gone too. Uh-oh. Sometime later, a note appeared. Ding dong. It read, Dear reader, it would be lovely if you could kindly help us. Please turn this book on its side and shake, Bella. So turn your book like this and shake. Try to shake us out. And shake, and shake, and shake. Wow, what can you see here? I can see Bella, the fire engine, and the police car. Can you see it? Very good. And one last little wiggle. Thank you, Bella said. Everyone reappeared. Wow, what can you see here? I can see the lovely dog, Bella, and the door rescue. And things got back to normal. But there is something a bit strange. Did you find it out? Yes. The dog's bottom is upside down. Well, almost.
Do you like the story? I like it so much. It's quite funny. How do you think about it? Do you want to have a book like that? Maybe no. Okay, let's see you tomorrow. Bye bye.